Hey parents and administrators, this is Miss Larson. I created this video to let you know about a project we will be working on in my 5th grade science classroom. The project we will be focusing on for the next 4 weeks is a home for everyone. This project will include a trip to the zoo and then the students being able to research their own zoo animal and the habit it should live in. Students will then create a model of the habitat and present it to professionals in the field. This is a project-based learning form of teaching. What is project-based learning? This is a teaching method in which students gain knowledge and skills by working for an extended period of time to investigate and respond to an engaging and complex question, problem, or challenge. Project-based learning incorporates 8 key elements that each project addresses. The driving question is one of the key components that drives a project. This is an overarching question that students are going to answer by performing the project. For our project, the question will be, how can we recommend the best habitat for animals in our zoo? PBL also incorporates a need to know, which includes an entry event that will spark students' curiosity up and keep the questions going. Our science unit will cover animal extinction. So for this project, we will make a trip to the zoo first as our entry event. At the zoo, we will analyze the habitat the animals are currently in. Students will then get to use their voice and choice, another component of the PBL teaching strategy. Students get to choose what animal they would like to research, how they will create their habitat, and will choose from 2 different types of presentations. Students must also inquire and innovate throughout the project. This means students will research a driving question. Students must use different means to be able to research their animal and then use some innovation to create a model habitat that they think is desirable for their animal. 21st century skills are an important part of the project-based learning teaching strategy. These include the 4 C's, including communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. Students will use their communication skills when working on their presentation and will collaborate to provide feedback. Students will use creativity to make their habitat and design it out of limited material. PBL also includes feedback and revisions. Students will receive this when making their PowerPoint and habitat efficient. Students will critique each other throughout the project and will also use self-monitoring processes like journaling and learning logs. This project ties into the significant content that we learn in our class. Each project-based learning works towards meeting the standards that students need, but by making it more fun. This project addresses our study over habitats and animal extinctions within science. Language arts components will be met by argumentative writing and their paper over the animal and its best habitat. The final step in PBL is the public presentation. This part will be incredibly significant and engaging for students. The public presentation is an opportunity for students to show off their work to the public. This part of the assessment mimics real life and raises the bar. The students will get to present their project to local zookeepers, professors, zoology students, and experts. In summary, our project for the next 4 weeks is part of the PBL teaching strategy. Students will take a trip to the zoo to explore animals in their current habitat. Then they will choose one animal and its habitat to write about in a paper. Students will then create a model of their habitat and create a presentation to accompany it that will be presented to professionals in the field. I am very excited about this project and how it will be great for the students to explore animal habitats. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or call me. Thanks!
Created using Powtoon.